welcome to our channel. Today I want to show you how to clean the buzzer, that is the sound speaker in the Samsung Galaxy A52s phone. For cleaning, we need 100% pure isopropyl alcohol, a brush with flexible bristles. Make sure the bristles are soft or medium hard, otherwise you might scratch your phone. If you can't buy such a brush or a diffuser, you can use a regular toothbrush, just make sure the bristles are soft or medium hard. You can buy such a set on Allegro or Amazon, it comes in a tin. The phone must be turned off before cleaning. Never clean your phone while it's turned on. When it's turned off, dampen your toothbrush with our alcohol. If you don't have a diffuser, you can just pour a little into a dish and soak it. Just dip the toothbrush in. Here we have the buzzer, these are the openings, and we clean out these openings. So in one direction, clean each opening separately, 5 to 10 times per opening. Then do the same in the other direction. 5 to 10 times in each direction. Then you might also want to move it sideways, perhaps 5 to 10 times in each hole, to ensure that the buzzer is cleaned perfectly and thoroughly. And then, you should repeat the exact same process in the other direction as well. It is usually best to repeat this, and what I mean is, do the same operation at least 2 or even 3 separate times just to make absolutely sure the buzzer is perfectly clean. After the procedure, set aside the brush and the phone for about 10 to 15 minutes to let the isopropyl alcohol evaporate, and then your phone will be working and ready to use. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. Please give a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and see you in my next video.